Hello guys, I'm Lily from Kesu Group. Today I want to talk the benefits of the CNC machining POM. Why Kesu Group is the best choice for your machining needs? POM is the versatile thermoplastic famous for its high strength, rigidity, excellent dimension stability, making it ideal for precision parts. Our CNC machining ensures tight tolerances and intricate details that deliver top-quality POM components every time. POM robust mechanical properties make it perfect for parts that must endure significant wear and tear. Its low friction and excellent wear resistance are ideal for gears, bearings, and other moving parts, ensuring longevity and performance. Besides, POM's resistance to a variety of chemicals and solvents makes it durable in harsh environments, ensuring reliability and longevity. At the Kesu Group, we leverage advanced CNC technology and extensive expertise to provide unparalleled accuracy and quality in machining POM components. Our commitment to excellence ensures timely delivery and tailored solutions that meet your specific needs. Choosing Kesu Group means choosing reliability, superior craftsmanship, and cost-effective solutions. In conclusion, the CNC machine POM with the Kesu Group offers precision, efficiency, and durability, making it the best choice for your machining needs. Welcome to contact us and get a quotation today. Goodbye.